Alright, here's the tank. This tank, it's hard to look at this. So this is a tank that SLA printer printing on. It has a film on it. The only thing that's separating the liquid resin and the LCD underneath. So this thing has scratches on it. So that's it. You can see the scratches. It's there. It's present. You don't want it there. So I'm gonna change it. Alright. So I have just all of this all set up, and then I record something about taking this and this off, but ended up didn't record any of them. So my bad, I guess. I lost all of that footage. So basically it has 10 screws holding this piece onto this piece, the bottom of the printer. Now it's blank, nothing on it. This thing has the dots, all the dots you can see is all screw. Guess it's going to take some time, ain't it? Anyway, let's keep going. Oh shit. Damn it. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Fuck. I definitely stripped this one off. Worst nightmare. Stripped Allen keys. Screws. Damn it. You left me with no choice. Ah, fuck, I hate this. Fuck it. Ah, fuck yeah. I'm not going to use that ever again. Whew. Judging by the looks of the paper, and it looks like it is forced, so I'm just going to force it in there too. This is a new film. So this is the actual film. must have lost it. Shit, and 3 screws are short. Damn it. Oof, that's exhausting, isn't it? I'm going to look for other screws. I'll be back. Oof, that's faster than expected. Found it. Now I'm just going to put them on. Takes too much time. I'm not going to tighten this one up because that one is a 41. I'm going to cut off the excess, and after that we're going to push it inside the tank. Okay, so as you can see now, it's nice and attached. Still a bit loose in it. It is loose, but as soon as you start pushing it into the tank, it should fit just right. With this one, I'm pretty sure that we have to make holes on all of these screws hole. I'm that sure, otherwise this screw is too big just for the film to distort around it. Just push it in, no tightening yet. Okay, and this one. Oh, you have to give it a good force. So it is stretching the film. Okay, quite good. This side. This side. Okay, and then this side. Give it a good push. This side. You can hear the tension. It's getting really tensioned. So we're just going to level it. As you can see, now it's not really leveled. This is the old film. This one is pretty messed up, but with all the holes this one has. But look at this new one. Can you listen to me talking from me? I think you can. I can hear it echoing. Yeah, definitely can. Okay. I'm not going to make the next mistakes of putting it like this face down, because this thing is touch and it gets scratched and I have to redo all of the process again and break another screw. No, Not this time. I can definitely put this on my CV. I can change FFP film out of SLA printer. No, anyway, proceed. Start printing again.